Good morning. We are off to Caloundra today, a place known for its beautiful beaches and a market in particular that I want to check out. Not sure how we're going to get on today because the weather is not looking that promising, as in it's supposed to rain a lot. Refueled with a coffee, we are now on Bulcock Beach, a few minutes walk from the markets. See how beautiful and calm this beach is. We decided to walk along this part of the Caloundra coastal pathway, which apparently in total is 73 kilometres long. Is that correct? Let me know in the comments. This walk takes us along Bulcock Beach towards Kings Beach. The stretch of sand you see in the distance is a part of Pumice Stone Passage, a large stretch of clear water perfect for kayaking, paddleboarding, boating or jet skiing. This map here, which I didn't hold the camera very still for, shows where we are and where the other beaches in Caloundra are. We are now walking along that stretch of sand, Pumice Stone Passage, which as you can see is wide and vast. So now here we are at Kings Beach and Bulcock Beach, and I'm going to go in for a swim. After my swim, we are now walking back towards Bulcock Beach. We went for a drive further up the coast and found this place.
Looks like they're sliding down there. Look at plastic.
The view from Point Cartwright looking towards Point Cartwright Beach. I just love this art, don't you? It's so vibrant and colourful. There's the lighthouse. We have walked around the other side of the lighthouse and the mural art, and it looks as though this is a popular resting spot for people's final resting place. It would certainly be peaceful. Don't you just love the sound of laughter like that? These young men have chosen to make their own fun by making their own water slide. I would give it a go if I wasn't thinking too much about how I'd hurt myself. Perfect day for sightseeing. Let's now take a walk down these wet, slippery steps to, I think, what is called Point Cartwright Beach. some interesting rock formations if you're into this. Time to wash the feet. Well, maybe not just yet. This looks to be the entry for Malula River. I hope you enjoyed following us through Caloundra today. Caloundra is stunning with its beautiful beaches, walkways, cafes and restaurants, something suitable for everyone. It is one of my favourite places. This is my first ever video on YouTube and I'm impressed by my GoPro footage. However, I do need to build a bit more confidence talking while in front of the camera. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.